Hey, it's Abhi here. Welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I have made about $14,264.44 with affiliate marketing, with Warriorplus affiliate marketing in specific. And there are just 3 simple steps involved, which I'm going to break down in this video. So make sure to watch till the end, as it's going to be a really in-depth video and you will understand the nuances of actually making passive income with affiliate marketing. So step 1 would be documenting. So what do I mean by that? So what do I mean by that is, first learn something like running ads, or maybe you are interested in creating AI videos, doing the software things, PDFs, maybe you're into crypto trading, anything, right? Learn something and start implementing that. I'm not talking about mastery here. I'm just talking that you are implementing what you have learned, right? So you just need to implement it, and when you implement it, document it. So what do I mean by documenting it? I mean creating the videos and sharing with the world, right? Share, that is the second step. First one is document, second one is share, right? You can share it via Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, any social platform that you want, right? Pinterest works, Quora works, whatever. Okay, so share with the world, create a video about it, whatever you're doing, testing, creating a video, learning a software, writing a code, whatever, record it and upload it to YouTube. All right, or maybe if you don't want to do a video, just have a blog and write about it, right? I will show you some examples. But what this does is, when you share this with the world, and you do not need to second guess or find a lot of topics to create content about, because you are already implementing stuff and that is your content. And when you do that, when you create that content, you will be able to build an authority, and that builds a loyal audience. Let me just show you example. So example 1 is, this is my personal documentation that I did. So Clickbank one with YouTube and paid ads, and second one would be Instagram documentation. So I'm going to show you both. So first one would be this. All right, so this one is, I've been learning ads, how to run ads for Clickbank offers in Bing, or on the Bing or Microsoft, one and the same thing, or on Google Ads. All right, so I've been learning that, and I have been documenting, right? Whenever I ran a campaign, I documented that, and based on the results, based on the stuff that I learned, I created these videos, right? So I got my first result here, I made a video about that, right? So I actually get great results with that, I made a video about that. Then I revealed a couple of case studies that I made beforehand, right? I then talked about my experience, like what Clickbank products work best, right? What to do with Google Ads, Bing Ads, what's the best landing pages here, how to really create Google Ads and promote Clickbank products, and the Q&A, a lot of people asked about it. All right, so what I really did was, at first, this is a link right here. Let me just open that up. So this is a Google Doc where I just jotted down whatever I was doing, my results, and how well it was going. So I was basically tracking of what I'm learning, what I'm implementing, and the results. All right, and then I just talk like I'm talking to a third person and just noting it out, right? Everything, and you can see this is my account, right? And you can see $97, $146, $102. So update 1, and then I continued testing it on different networks and software products and stuff. So it kept going on and going on, and there were no links, right? If you see, there is some links here, but I added these links to promote a product where I actually learned this. So this is how it works, right? You learn something from a product or a course or anything or a software, right? And when you learn it, and if it works for you, you promote it using your affiliate links. And this is what an affiliate links look like. So whenever people click on it, it will take them to an affiliate offer, and if they purchase, I make money. So I am making money by implementing this strategy for Clickbank and Google Ads and Bing Ads. And apart from that, I'm making money actually promoting that course itself. So it's a win-win for me, right? And you can see, right, it was a great success. The orchestra was a great success, and I ended it on like this much, right? I didn't really need to continue these nodes, right? Because at this point I know what I'm doing, right? So that's what this is. All right, and if you actually want to know about the product, it was called Super Affiliate Sniper, and if you want to know more about it, if you want to see a free training about it, I will leave a link below. Okay, and the next one that I did was about my Instagram journey. So I was trying to build a $5,000 per month Instagram business doing faceless videos. So these 4 videos are about that, and you can see it is not even a success at this point, right? I am just trying to build it up, and I'm just recording it as a video. I'm just documenting it again, right? And you can see this video got 672 views, 400 views, 400 views, almost 900 views here. But the thing is, this is not a success yet. All right, I'm not able to sell a course or anything because I am not successful yet. But guess what, right? Failure doesn't mean a thing, right? It's okay even if you fail. Just share it with the world, just like I'm doing right here, right? In the sea of pretenders, people will appreciate you for your honesty. And when you do recommend something, once they watch these videos, they will see like I am just being transparent here, right? And once they see that you are transparent, they will follow you, they will subscribe you, and they will look forward to your content. And then when you do recommend something, when they see something that works for you, right, they will trust you and they will buy from you, right? Since they know that you are a genuine guy and you will only recommend something if it works. As you can see in this one here, right, in all the description of these videos, I have actually promoted a course that teaches this Clickbank and Google Ads and Microsoft Ads. And why am I promoting? Because it worked for me and I'm sharing it with the world. And if you see here, right, this super affiliate sniper system affiliate offer actually made me $10,000. So you see, this thing works like gangbusters and the conversions are insane. All right. So step 3 is help. Whenever you get comments, emails, messages, try to answer it in detail and have the mindset to actually help people, right? Once you get a sale, it doesn't mean your job is over. If you promote something genuinely good, which works for you, that's great. But if your buyers ask you something, right, if they need some help and you promise something, be there for them. If you promise them a bonus, if you've promised them a one-on-one call, do it. This will make them a loyal follower and will be a long-term buyer. This is how you increase your sales without bringing in new traffic, new leads. This is how you increase your conversions with your email marketing or any sort of marketing that you do. Again, so as I showed you on Warriorplus, this is the earnings that I made, or just on Warriorplus, by the way, right? But if you want to see, I have actually made a lot more on affiliate commissions, and you can check out rest of the videos on my channel for that. All right. So this is a PDF that I launched called Automated Affiliate Blueprint. If you want, you can go and check it out. It will set you on the right path. Hopefully you found value on this video. And if you did like it, please make sure to subscribe and give it a like. And if you leave a comment, I'll appreciate it. Thanks so much. And I will see you in the next video. Cheers.